This question came on recent past paper based on differentiating tan inverse formula. Let us do. A normal to the graph of y equal to tan inverse x minus 1 for x greater than 0 has equation y equal to minus 2x plus c, where c belongs to R. Find the value of c. Okay. What is given here? A curve equation is there. In general, let us assume this to be the curve, and here normal is mentioned. So I told you before, whenever you come across normal, you should go with the formula. And what is that? m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Why do we need to go with this? This is a curve, this is the tangent, this is the normal. These two are always perpendicular. Tangent, normal. So whenever two lines are perpendicular, I should always go with this formula. Okay, so far. Next, m1 is slope of the tangent, that I can get by differentiating the curve equation, into m2 is slope of the normal. How can I get the slope of the normal? He has given to me normal equation, that is y equal to minus 2x plus c. Compare it with equation of a line form mx plus c. The x coefficient, we call it to be the slope. So slope of the normal in this case is minus 2. So minus 2 equal to minus 1. Clear so far? Next. Here d by dx of, in place of y, what do I write? Tan inverse x minus 1. I send this minus 2 to the other side. What do I get? Minus 1 by minus 2. This negative gets cancelled. Now, tan inverse x minus 1, this entire thing I assume it to be x, is 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 whole square into d by dx of, in place of x, whatever you have, okay, is equal to 1 by 2. Now, so this becomes, let us expand it, x square plus 1 minus 2x. You need to go with a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, into differentiating x, I get 1, differentiating 1, I get 0, so that is 1, is equal to 1 by 2. Now, x square as it is minus 2x and 1 plus 1 I get 2, is equal to 1 by 2. To simplify, I need to do cross multiplication. So what do I get? 2 equal to x square minus 2x plus 2. Bring all to the one side. X square minus 2x plus 2 plus 2, this 2 comes this side, minus 2 equal to 0. So that becomes x square minus 2x equal to 0. Okay. I take x common. I get x minus 2 equal to 0. So either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. So it could be either x equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. That means x equal to 2. Okay. Earlier in the question he is mentioned as that x has to be greater than 0. So I don't consider this. So my x value is 2. Okay. And furthermore, the normal equation which we got, which was given, was minus 2x plus c, and curve equation was tan inverse x minus 1, and they are asking us c equal to how much? Clear? See man, by making use of m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, I got x value equal to 2. Out of these two, in which equation do I need to replace x equal to 2 to get the value of y? If I replace in this, c will be left out. So I replace in this equation to get y. After getting y, I replace x and y in this to get c. Clear? Let's do it. If I replace x equal to 2 here, what do I get? Tan inverse 2 minus 1, which is tan inverse 1, which is pi by 4. Okay. Replace y equal to pi by 4 in this and also x equal to 2. So pi by 4 equal to minus 2 into 2 plus c. So c is nothing but pi by 4. Here minus 4 shifted to the other side plus 4. We found the value of c. Clear? Okay.